Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add subtitle automatically to your videos using video editor called Capcut. You can get it on Play Store or App Store. Now let's dive into it. First, you open your Capcut, click on New Project, then you search for the video you want to add subtitle to. Click on Add. After you've imported it to your timeline, you click on Text. Click on Auto Captions. You must have a stable internet connection. Click on Continue. If you like, you can play it. If not, you can leave it the way it is.
Home remedies for skin problems. There are various factors that cause skin disorder. Causes of some common skin problems are microorganisms such as viruses, bacteria, fungus may cause many skin problems. Some common skin diseases caused by microorganisms include candida, HPV, and herpes. Harmful rays of the sun can also produce skin problems. Some people have sensitive skin, and they can suffer from sunburns or discoloration of the skin when exposed to the sun directly for a longer period of time. Hormonal changes during different periods of life can also produce skin problems. Blemishes are common in women that occur during pregnancy or after the childbirth. Acne and pimples are also common in teenagers due to hormonal changes that occur during puberty. Insects may also cause skin problems. They crawl on the skin, can produce rashes. These skin problems are for a short period of time. Diaper rash is common in babies. It may cause redness, itching, and burning of the skin.
So auto caption is already created. Go to your first test. You click on it. You can increase the size and you can decrease the size. So we increase it. You can change the font. Change the front, whichever one you like, but I will leave it at italic right here. You can change the color. You can also change the stroke, the background, the shadow, the palette, the bold, italic. So just play around with it and choose whichever one you like. So after that, the same thing goes for effects. You can change it, choose the one you like. Same thing goes for animation too. So you can increase the speed. Whichever one you like. So, and the next thing we talk about is how to edit it, your subtitle text. So we want to change this to home solution for screen problem. All you have to do is click on batch edit, click on it, change the remedy, home solution for screen problems. As you can see, it has changed. And the next thing I want to talk about is, if you notice, when I change the color for this text, the same thing applies for the remaining tests. So if you want to edit this only without affecting the other subtitle text, all you have to do is click on style, then uncheck this circle right here, uncheck it. Now let's try to change it to another color and confirm. Let's change it to this. Click OK. Let's play it.
Home remedies for skin problems. There are various.
As you can see, it does not affect the other subtitle text. So the same thing goes for whichever subtitle text you want to edit. Now after you are done with everything, you click on export. So these are the resolutions. If you like, you can change it to, let it be on 1080p, 720, 418, but I recommend you putting on 1080p for higher resolution. And you can also increase the frame rate, but the higher the frame rate, the higher the file size. So you choose whichever one you want and click on export. After you've done selecting your resolution and your frame rate, you click on export. After that, you save it. So that will be all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like this video, share and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you on my next video. Take care, guys.